Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It is FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of these two Emirates Airbus A380-800s. Alright guys, without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive right on into the video. So I picked up these models a little while ago, I just never got around to making a video. So this one is in the now old regular livery, and then this one is in the Dubai Expo 2020 colors. So let's go ahead and get started with the normal livery. Move this one off to the side here. So here is the front of the box. Is your standard Emirates box, but your standard Emirates box always looks amazing. Let's go ahead and do the sides. They all are essentially the exact same side, and then here's the back of the box. There's no flap, but there's a cutout, so there is the cutout. And then let's go ahead and unbox this paper. Emirates is another one of those few airlines that gets entirely custom boxes, whether it be from the box itself down to the actual plastic part that holds it. Alright, so here is the model. It is quite beautiful. It's your standard Emirates colors, but standard Emirates colors always look good. I'm going to pick up the new A380 with the updated tail and updated regular livery soon. Emirates Jets always does a great job with their A380s. They always look amazing. Here is the bottom. Here's the bottom. The detail on this aircraft is absolutely amazing. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a stunning airplane, and it's great to have in the collection. But let's go ahead and move on to the other A380. Alright, so here is the other A380. This one is in the Dubai Expo 2020 colors, which is a very beautiful livery. Let's go ahead and get started with the sides. Sides of the box. Here's the back of the box. Again, this is essentially the flap, and this is the cutout. But there's the model. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Alright, so here is the model. It is very beautiful. This livery is absolutely stunning, whether it be from the colorful shapes to the actual blue color of the primary coat. As you can see on the motors, Expo 2020. And this one has the date, and that one has Expo and Dubai on it. So this is a very, very pretty airplane. It is a great addition to the collection. I'm very, very happy with it. And you've probably already seen these two models. I did a trip or a airport update a few weeks ago. If you haven't checked that out, please go ahead and check it out. It's up in the top right hand corner of the screen. I guess that will be it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next week for another video. Anyways, this is FunTube Aviation, signing off.